We got Sadie in the picture. There you go. Look at this thing right here. Boom. If you know, you know. Do you know what we got here, Sadie? You know what this is? Do you know what that is? Do you know what that is? Right there? Do you know what it is? Right there? That? Let's read it together. MGI Zip Series Navigator. Gray, lithium, 24 volt, 380 WH. What's that? What does the WH mean? I don't know. I don't hold the charge. Let's open this thing up, huh? Yeah. Let me see if we open this thing up. Unless there's instructions in here. No. But here is the battery. So this will slide on the back. Like that. Then this will come down and lock it in, and it'll turn on up here. All right, I'll show you. This is off of here. So there's the LED screen. And then we reach it under here, and we got the remote. So it looks like that's there to charge the remote. Come on, get in. So I guess if I just press this one time, it'll turn on. Oh, whoa, whoa! That thing moved. You want to play around with it? Yeah, come on, check it out. Let's check it out. Ready? Look at that, Sadie. Woohoo! Yeah, come here. It's okay. Okay. So you have to press stop. So we'll press back. Okay, so backwards, you have to hold on to it. Okay. So here we go. We'll turn it back around. And then here. Now press stop. So you only have to hit the button once for forward and then hit stop. Any other time, right and left, you have to keep the button pressed. Wow, look at that. And then backwards, of course. You keep it pressed. Woohoo! Then just once for forward. Boom. All right. Well, let's put a bag in it and go play with it in the front yard or the side yard. Nice. And there you see I'm going to have to watch out for my towels. And my strap here. Probably not going to be able to. Well, if I'm going to use the cart, I'm not really going to need the strap, right? let's go for a walk. See how it does. Try not to go in the pool, huh? So I'll hit it again to speed it up. She's a little bumpy out here in my backyard. Go out to the side yard here. Okay, now we're on like number 5. So it seems to be going around pretty good. Yeah, Sadie, look. Look at that thing go. Look at that thing go, huh? Well, the towels fell down into the wheels, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything quite yet. So it's probably about 65 yards to the ditch over there. And it's still picking me up. It's probably about 45, maybe 50 yards now away. There it goes. So my yard's pretty bumpy, and it seems to be holding on pretty good. Speed it up. Look at, here it comes. Look how fast it is now, Sadie. Look how fast it's going. Four iron, please. Ha! Well, there you go. So I tested it out here. I'm going to charge the battery all the way up. Charge the battery all the way up. And let me see here. Yeah. I think I'm going to enjoy walking again. I'm going to enjoy walking the courses. Pretty nice, huh, kid? All right. So there's the test run. Maybe I'll get a tea time, twilight tomorrow night. We'll take it out on Curry. So we'll see you then. Here we are, Curry East with a Zip Navigator. Man, this is pretty cool. Just me and the old Zip out here at Curry East. Hanging out for a round of golf, man. We'll take this thing up front. See how fast, or see how. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. It's gonna go get some geese. Let's mess with the geese. All right, come on. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. Okay. See you on the next shot. Nice. So we got this app called 18 Birdies. So we got a back pin about 112. Wind in the back. It didn't hook. They missed the green. Not real happy with that. Not real happy with that one. But hit a good tee shot. She almost jumped. There's the 100-yard marker. So it has a USB port underneath the handle to plug your phone in, and I forgot the cord. So when I have a cord, I'll just keep the phone on. Maybe that's the reason why the app showed me 400 yards away, because when I swiped my phone, the app itself picked up my finger swipe to unlock it. So to stop that, I'll just plug my phone in next time, and it'll keep charging off the battery here. They say you can get a minimum of 36 holes with this thing before you have to charge it. I've heard it goes a lot longer than that. Not the worst shot. Could have been a lot better. Could have been a lot worse. Up and down for par, huh? Take that. Knock it in. Well, knock it in. It's got a lot of stuff on it. And I'm telling you what, this thing is awesome. Just walk around and hit the golf ball again, you know? Don't have to worry about pushing nothing. Don't have to worry about carrying nothing other than this camera. But I won't be carrying the camera all the time. We'll play with the old timers Monday in a couple days, and then I got my league Monday night. I'm playing in a golf scramble. Tuesday at Buck's Run in Mount Pleasant. So you're thinking about getting one of these, man. I know they're not cheap. But how much money are you spending renting a golf cart? You know? So if you enjoy walking but you just don't want to carry the clubs, I suggest get one of these, man. Because after a while, you're gonna spend the money in golf cart rentals anyways. Just go ahead and get this thing. Enjoy your time out on the course again. Walking, you know. It's a whole different ball game when you can walk.